ka joint bilateral military exercise Maitri ka badai ka Jingïakilan met ki Shipai hapdeng ke Indian Army ber ka Royal Thai Army kelas Sdang nadu ka shi tarik nailur arhajar arpusan ha ka joint training note Umroi Ribhoi district kani ka Jingïakilan met ka de ka sien ka bakhat saw kani ka jaka ka de ka balapan krek kerpang banyat rengkat bat ka juk mentah kani ka Jingïakilan kanne ahadu ka khat saw tarik nailur hakane ka program ki Shipai nabaro ari ki nation benta ha ki jinghikai bat Jingïakilan ba pher ban pen klanya ka sap ye khun persha ye ki leno bat ki nong shun ki batmu ban penwet ye ka suk kasan hakate ka Jingïakilan ki Shipai Indian Army kindan kumba shispa arphongut balami khmat na ka battalion of the Madra regiment katba ki Shipai Royal Thai Army kindan kumba san pulaingut balami khmat ka 1st Infantry Battalion 14th Infantry Brigade kumbala pentip de ki he Shipai jong kini ki ari ha ka Jingïalang bat kilat pathai Khubor ha Umroi ka thong ba kongsan jong kani ka Jingïakilan ka long ban penya chakmat ya ka Jingade paralok bat ban penne ya ka jingsuk jingsan bat ban kentiu ya ka Jingïatrelang ha ka liang ki kam yadari hakini ki khat saw sngi labu ru ki Jingïakilan ha ki jaka ba pher ban ya leka ya ki but ya khun khamtam ha ki jaka ki ba kham e khnang ba ki Shipai kin yo ya ka jingtip ka ba kraw bat ya ka jingmentoy na ka Jingïakliang jingtip bat jinghikai hapdeng ki ar kan hun Shipai.
Respected sirs, I now request you to officially raise the curtain for commencing the opening of 14th edition of Exercise Maitri. Our countries are bound together, not only by geography.
And the complete exercise contingent of Royal Thai Army to Umroi, and wish you a comfortable stay during the course of the exercise. It is with great pride and a sense of camaraderie that I stand before you today as we embark on this significant annual joint military exercise between Indian Army and Royal Thai Army. The exercise signifies not only the strong bond between our two nations, but also our unwavering commitment to ensure regional peace and security. We share a deep-rooted and time-honored relations strengthened through centuries of shared culture, values, and vision, which adds to the flavor of the cordial relationship that we share. Our presence here today is a testament to the trust and cooperation that exist between our two great nations. As fast-growing economies and emerging Asian powers, we have come together to share our knowledge, experience, and best practices to enhance our collective capability for fighting in sub-conventional operations, especially while operating under Chapter 7 of the UN mandate. This exercise is a symbol of our unity in purpose and our determination to work together. The prestigious exercise Maitri commenced in the year 2006 and today is a tall testimony of the growing bond of friendship between the two glorious nations. The word Maitri itself means friendship and truly lives up to its name. The 14th edition of Exercise Maitri commences today at Umroi, Meghalaya. It is a 14-day joint exercise and a comprehensive training program spanning 14 days has been drawn up for this purpose. As soldiers, we are embodiment of discipline, dedication, and determination. We represent the very best of our respective countries, and it is our training, courage, and professionalism that will make this joint exercise a success. Though this exercise, we aim to further strengthen our interoperability, refine our tactics with enhanced synergy and coordination at tactical level, and build the bonds of friendship and trust stronger than ever. During the exercise, we'll exchange officers and troops to plan and execute military operations in response to adverse situations in a counter-terrorism environment. We also look forward to learn from Royal Thai Army's rich operational experience of operating in a multinational environment. The mutual sharing of best practices will surely further hone our skills and tactical acumen of handling all contingencies with professional adeptness. I would also like to emphasize the importance of safety and adherence to all the established protocols throughout this exercise. Our top priority is the well-being of each and every one of us. Remember that we are here to learn from each other and to grow stronger together, and that can only happen if we work together in a safe and disciplined manner. I also want to stress the importance of understanding the culture and traditions of each other outside the training exercise. These can be as valuable as the military skills we gain during this exercise. We have full faith in coming days at FTN Umroi. Contingent of both countries will leave no stone unturned to showcase their best drills and achieve synergy in joint operations, as well as learn from each other's best practices. In conclusion, let us approach this joint exercise with enthusiasm, professionalism, and a spirit of cooperation. Our nations have a shared history and a shared future. I have every confidence that together we'll achieve our training objectives and emerge from this exercise even stronger, more capable, and more united force. Thank you for your dedication and service. Let us make the most of this opportunity to learn and grow together. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Okay.